Today we are going to be taking a look at the new AOC Q27G4ZD. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside. Okay, so ta-da! There we go. So first of all, we have a display to display cable, one of it. Then we have the HDMI to HDMI cable, power cable here, quick start guide, the base. Wow, this one is a very small base. Okay, that's interesting. And a very light base as well at the same time. So this is how the base looks like. So we will set this up in a while. And then we have our monitor here. Before I open this, we have the arm as well. So let's open the arm first. This is how the arm looks like. If you guys can see, quite simple, quite straightforward. Next part is, the instructions is just you rip it off just like that. And then you can see your monitor here. I always say in my videos that you always keep the monitor inside and then put your arm so it don't break your screen or anything. So just slide this in, click, we are good to go. So for the base, you just slide this in just like that, and then you can just tighten the screw here. Oh wow, this is a very good looking monitor. Oh, look at the screen, is so thin. The whole thing around it is super thin. And on this side we have the USB hub as well, as you guys can see on the screen. And then at the bottom we have the USB hub here. So you can have two of the USBs here. Then HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and your display port and audio jack. I want to do this. I want to do this so badly. Let me peel this off. So good. It's very sticky. Wait, this monitor is a freaking good looking monitors, yeah? AOC is upping their game, man. First impression of this monitor, of course, it looks very good, very sleek. If you are going for your gaming setup and all these things, I think this will really enhance your setup look. At the back, it looks very simple. Your logo and the red ring here, which is also looks very decent and very sleek. And then there are a few adjustments, which we will talk about in a while. So before we set this up, let's hear some of the specification and features of this amazing monitor. The AOC Q27G4ZD is a 26.5-inch QD-OLED gaming monitor with QHD resolution and a 240Hz refresh rate. It delivers ultra-fast response times at just 0.03 millisecond, ensuring crystal clear motion. It features a 1.5 million to 1 contrast ratio, 1000 nits HDR peak brightness, and 100% sRGB with 99% DCI-P3 coverage. Color accuracy is factory calibrated to delta E less than 2, and it's certified with VESA DisplayHDR True Black 400. It is adaptive sync compatible for smooth tear-free gameplay and includes low input lag mode, shadow control, game color, and game mode presets. The stand is fully adjustable with a swivel of -30 degrees to 30 degrees, a pivot of -90 degrees to 90 degrees, tilt adjustment of -5 degrees to 23 degrees, and height adjustments of up to 130 mm. So you guys might be wondering what is the QD-OLED panel and how it is any different from a regular OLED. Well, QD-OLED is an advanced type of OLED display that utilizes quantum dots to enhance color and brightness, offering more vibrant and vivid picture quality compared to the standard OLED. While both technologies deliver deep blacks and high contrast, QD-OLED generally provides better color accuracy, wider color gamut, and higher peak brightness. This is my first experience with the QD-OLED monitor, and I think when we turned this on, we were always very amazed. This one is a very sharp display, and with this glossy screen, actually it really enhances your experience as well. Like any other AOC monitor, this one also have some features, game modes for the RTS, FPS, racing, etc. So how you can utilize that, you just need to go in the menu of this, which is here, which is the G menu for the AOC, and here you can see the standard FPS, RTS, racing, gamer 1, 2, and 3. The gamer 1, 2, and 3 can be customized. You can actually use the G menu to adjust all your settings. There is very useful, and it's very easy to use. Because this is the gaming monitor, you guys also get some of the other features such as the sniper scope and shadow control. So right here you can see the options for the sniper scope. You have 1.0, 1.5 and 2.0 customizable and adjustable to your liking, giving you a bit of an advantage in competitive games like CS2, Valorant, or Marvel Rivals. For the shadow control function, as you guys can see on the screen how it looks when it's off and maxed out. It truly brightens the black, possibly offering you an advantage for darker areas in the game. Here, as you guys can see, the UFO test, actually I am sitting at this angle, also looking at it, I really don't see any of the ghosting. This thing really impressed me by this. So for the gaming monitors, we usually see that people ask a lot of questions about the ghosting and all these things, but the key here is to always use the cables first of all comes with your monitor itself. To achieve 240Hz refresh rate, you have to use the display cable, and that's very important. And apart from that, also depends on the settings, what settings you are running on. For example, if you're running on the FPS, you're running on the racing mode and all these things, so you have to play around with the settings and see what suits best for you and for your gaming setup. So in conclusion, this monitor offers a solid balance of speed, clarity and color performance with its QD-OLED panel and gaming focused features. But how important is the QD-OLED display to your gaming experience? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it around, and of course hit the subscribe button. I will leave any links or discount codes in the description below. Do follow us on our socials at Rebel Squad tag for more behind the scenes footages, updates and giveaways. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.